Hi guys, today I want to talk about the 6 mistakes that people make when buying carpets. Number 1, they don't take the sample home. When you see a carpet in a carpet shop, it's in a completely different light to what the lighting will be back in your own home. You've also got to look at the fact that you may have a north facing room, south facing room, and it's also good to look at it during the day and at night in your home to make sure it looks just how you want it to in your room. Number 2, they assume stain-free means that the carpet will never get dirty. This isn't true. Carpets will always get dirty. So, stain-free means that it's easier to keep clean. The dirt or the oil or whatever may get trapped into the carpet will not adhere to the fibre just as much as it would into a wool carpet, for instance. Stain-free is commonly associated with man-made fibre carpets. So it will be easier to look after and to clean over a longer period of time. So this is what stain-free means. Like I say, it doesn't mean the carpet will never get dirty, as this is not true. Number 3, buying carpet online from a photograph or a picture. This is never the true colour. It will not look like that when you get that home. I've shown customers pictures of rugs and carpets and brochures, and when you see them in real life, they look completely different. So you must see a hard sample for the correct colour of carpet. Number 4, expensive must be better. Not true. Carpets come from £5 or £6 a square metre right up to well over £100 a square metre. It doesn't mean that just because you're buying a carpet at 60 or 70 or £80 that it's going to be a much better carpet than something else. It's more about getting the carpet that suits your traffic in the house, that suits your household, that you can live with. So again, it doesn't have to be the most expensive to get a good quality carpet. 5, they buy a carpet because it's bleach cleanable. Now, coming from a carpet cleaning background, I would never ever advise to put bleach on a carpet. But if you have to, it's mixed. 1 part bleach, 5 parts water. Then whatever you put onto that carpet, you must blot to take it back out again. But you only should do this if it's something really drastic that happened to be somebody's been sick on it, or you've spilled something, colourful, red wine, that kind of thing. But most of the time you'll manage to blot out everything from your carpet or have it professionally cleaned. Bleach cleanable, you can only take that so far. Number 6, is carpet the right product to have, or should you look at hard flooring? There's so much choice, and again it depends on the traffic coming through your house as to what's best to live with. It may be that you've got 2 or 3 kids, you've got pets. Hard floors may be much easier for you to look after and to live with. Carpets, obviously for the cleaning part of it, is much harder to look after if you've got a lot of traffic coming through the household. So again, this is worth exploring to see which product would suit your home best.